Na na na. Yeah, 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 yeah. No, you know this song. If you don't know this song, that means you be Smalley. Know me, love me, na 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 na. Whoa, 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 whoa. Know me, know me.
Don't allow us show our age for you.
Nah, forget it.
Stop, don't allow us show our age.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are a pa and a ma.
Yeah.
A pa and a ma.
I call Pama.
Yeah, Pama, Mapa, actually. So we are welcome on top of the show today. And we welcome all of you now. God will bless everybody together we are.
Yes.
Yeah.
I just want to tell you that we have come again. We have come again. Ogbolo, we have come again. Mayowa, we have come again. Oh yes, we have come again. Yeah, we have come again. Ogbolo, we have come again. Mayowa, we have come again. We have come again. Mayowa, Ogbolo, we have come again. On the pani, money, we have come again. Come again. We have come again. Oh, we have come again. Ogbolo, we have come again. Mayowa, we have. All right, so it's a Monday for inside the city of Lagos, where we dey carry paddy come meet you from.
Yeah.
So I'm not really sure what part of the world you dey, but anywhere where you dey, it's a Monday. If today is not Monday to you, that means you're in a place where your time is either fast forward or a back forward.
Yeah.
Is one of the two. Either of the two. Yes.
Yeah.
Depend on where you are.
Yeah.
That is the thing.
Basically.
So welcome.
Yeah. All right, so restez toujours badastiu na tout refleta la patusit, le rebrascutoroscu na tira sa prasctilo sata. Rescuto trisque, precato frescana, le trovas telepodus, le presque federbusta.
Oui, c'est combien? Je suis la patale et tolopi, je suis telepa, à toute la, tu peux les faire la carte. C'est combien? Il y a bonbon et telepa, tulipa, teleku, à tala. Oui, c'est combien? Merci.
Yeah, bonbon. Yeah, bonbon.
You don't know that in a sweet now. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Il est bonbon. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Il est allez-vous.
French, tomorrow we'll not really learn for school.
And
all that we just do repeat after me. But anyway, we now welcome on top of the show today. My name is Ogbolo Scoff. This beautiful lady looking very, very different in her shades of black hair, black dress, okay, and black blood, you know, black. What's the black again? Black bush.
You are so silly. All right, okay, we get plenty things lined up. Of course, as usual, you know, so we get yarn for you, we get laugh, and we get plenty in between ajasa. You understand? If you don't know what ajasa is those things you put in between gist that make the gist couple.
Well, I tell you that this man is happy, man.
Yeah, this nigga, wow, this guy is a happy guy. I'm going to tell you something, you know.
Hey, wait, now calm down, don't worry you.
I just want to tell you that the joy Ogbolo is feeling now, it really knows no bounds.
Yeah.
It is a joy that can only be experienced by a man that has once been sad.
Yeah.
You know, when you have been sad, you now move from a sad face to an unsure face to a oh my God face. You now enter a happy face. The transition is quite very, very alarming.
The joy of the Lord is my strength. The joy of the Lord is my strength. The joy of the Lord is my strength. The joy of the Lord is my strength.
I tell you this thing because as he is now, oh my God, 20,000 men. Happy men cannot measure up to the joy that you feel.
At all.
It is called an everlasting joy. You understand? It is a joy that moves from your mitochondria, passes through your veins, enter your blood cells, through your spine, moves to your neck, enter your head, and you do you're just happy. That's how we feel now.
That's how I feel about it. You understand me now? Yeah. Shout out to Hella. You know, one of my guy like this, one of my Korean guy. Yeah, they shout out on you. Yeah. But I'm going to go this morning before we use our own mouth to put ourselves for trouble.
They tell you this thing. So before we go over talk now, the whole world go know the reason why we pound you. Hello, let us move. Give us a break, please. Real quickly.
I will wait on you.
You didn't notice my tori patene me la tatia. Waity, he fit me little coty.
I don't see her sis now. Now you the black. Now the black now. I see her.
Waity, fit me little coty.
Is everything they sweet yourself?
I didn't know what.
No.
I'm sweeting for you.
No,
the thing is transparent to me.
No, your own different too. What's wrong with you? At least it's like Thursday or Friday or something. You come. You know the chop well now. We don't go chop. You know when husband is in town. When husband is in town and there's a regular checkup.
Why are you talking my... You want me to... I just want to tell you that...
Yan the yan. Yan the yan, yan. Give us yan the yan now before we take our mouth. Run this whole level, please.
Welcome back to the season. All right, so... I just want to tell you now, say... This gist I won't give you now is a very funny gist. Because in the city of one place, in the China place, and the Japan place, yes, those places, that place. I just want to tell you that the smallest club is the size of a phone booth. Yes.
Smallest?
Club.
Which kind of club?
Club. Party club. Is the size of a... I know
the world's smallest club.
No, they call them. Teledisco, the world's smallest disco club. Probably the most exclusive.
Yes, and women, they are for hair color.
Yeah.
You know, with special dye.
Whether now weave or your natural hair, you know, go spoil your hair.
But the same people, they very, very careful, because they say blondes them. People those when you say among you they get blondes.
Yellow hair.
Those ones will be yellow. They can't get yellow hair. Those ones, see me, they very careful because that's they stain their own skin past the normal. But well, they say, because I know say forget Niger babes. No, they carry last. They don't start their own.
The video work out with a inside sun.
Oh. You think with the trap sunlight.
You know, say this thing now when you come out for evening or when you want to hang out.
Now that's the beauty they come out.
But our own, the video work. Do me the whole hair this time. The whole hair.
You understand? But well, people they creative these days, but I just feel something on the past normal. But any which way, if you like it, fine, go and find out. If you don't like it, well, just leave your own reservation to your own self. But they say that it be a new trend now. We don't hit Instagram for ladies. We don't, for their hair things. I know say some men go so involved. We'll leave all this thing. But if you think go find inside club for night too.
Yes, because people go they glow when they come the disco light. You understand when the disco light is hovering.
You know, and when maybe you and your person will carry con. The person do green. You know, concern for like 2 hours.
They are not singing.
Please, hello. Did you see somebody I came with? I got say. He carry green hair. Say,
that's it over there. That's it over there. That's it over there.
All right, anyway, now the 2G so not carry giving now first on top the whole level. At Wazobia Paddy on top Twitter, let us know how you feel about anything so far with on Yan. All right, so quickly, we'll go on this break. By the time we come back from this break, we'll carry the rest of the Yan part 2. Continue. Still on the Paddy show, Mayowa Ogbolo. We is coming.
That's the way, Mahive. Kristen Damson and Darren Ashcroft when their plane stuck for inside airport.
Wait first. Come on the bridge ready for your body first.
Okay.
Or that one we'll first watch.
Okay.
Plus witchcraft, plus the real witchcraft we'll conceal later after the first witchcraft we talk.
There's nobody that will tell me that there's no diabolic something to that second one. What kind of skills be that?
You know, say for this part of the world, when we don't understand something, we say that witchcraft. So, more leave am, just leave am. Just, no think the thing, just leave am. No think the thing. But it shocked me.
He off me, oh. He off me.
Anyway, Mayowa, so now, we talk the next gist. Yan the Yan part 2. Let's wake up from the diabolic act of the 2 individuals plus the first guy who also want to join witchcraft and the girl move to the second person who can actually practice the witchcraft trade. And we moved.
We moved.
We moved.
Hey.
All right.
All right, so strangers, a Christian. I don't understand. Why my head can't swell up like this? It's not really swollen. It's not really swollen. It's the...
Ogo?
No, it's not swollen. It's the...
See
now, can you not see?
My dear, read story.
See now, it's not swollen.
We be like your mirror. Read the story for us. Let's enjoy this thing. What's wrong with you?
Slap. Be supportive. I'm not reading again. Read your own story.
Another thing they do my soul. Can you see my soul?
Read
So this is a story about two people where we say, you know how they go delay your flight? Delay your flight. Somebody will they come from Canada.
So some people will say, no, they delay your flight.
They will delay your flight.
Some people are so defensive. Any spot they turn to prayer.
They will delay your own flight. Continue.
You know how the girl they come from Canada, so they can't delay her flight for Heathrow because she was taking an airplane from that side. So another guy too, we supposed to the flight and delay the flight. Of which the girl, she just suffered from heartbreak. Then she said she go Kenya, go chill, and then do voluntary service for orphanage home.
Based on say that you're breaking out.
Yes, she says she wants to do something good to help her relieve herself of the pain. So she and man, she don't come on man for a matter. Not being she go that side where she goes. So I just want to tell you, say, as a matter of fact, that place where she goes, so she says she not go talk to man again. But she get to the airport place. She have now jam a guy. You understand? She now look at the guy that the guy is really somehow. You understand?
No, but for the whole, the way I tell you the gist originally.
Not be the hearing where you hear. Now the one where they hear.
Forget it. No, don't hear the gist now. Before you talk, say you go talk anything.
You dey Heathrow?
Wait. No, I don't hear the gist. They call me one on one. Now my guy. Now my guy. I know the guy where she want. The guy where she want marry now. Now my real guy, very bad guy like this.
Yeah, tell me you're waiting.
No, based on the gist, it can't be say she just go meet the guy. Say come out, but if like say they don't already announce my flight too.
Yeah.
So as matter to be like this now, be like say how far? The guy say no, not all of them the same flight. As better to be like this. Or you're falling now, and they can't they gist throughout the flight.
Okay, and you're saying a long flight. So while everybody else was sleeping, they were having a conversation.
They gist. And from there, things can they happen. Invite and come over for birthday and everything. Say wow.
So as they talk now, they want marry.
They want marry last.
See two of them. The girl is very happy. She has a very beautiful smile.
Very, very okay, swagicious and everything. We thank God. You see, if you find love for anywhere,
yeah.
Anywhere, you walk enter, you see love somewhere. You can find love anywhere. Inside mall, inside bank, inside toilet.
You just they happy they talk. You can find love anywhere. You can find love. You're not happy saying it.
How? I say they happy they talk. Not be the real way I tell you talk about.
Oh God,
not
still alive.
Oh God. But really, if you see love anywhere, you understand? If you jam love underwater. If you see love underwater. Oh, make I talk
if
now.
If you sharp, you go know wetin I dey talk. You understand? You don't read this matter now. No kuku gree me read my story. It just they talk. If you find love anywhere, if I find love all over the place, love.
I'm a love child.
Hey. Hey, I got baking soda. Let's go.
You say you don't finish?
You don't finish. They meet, they jam, they marry. Finish. Okay.
Finally, P. For my own. Woman will beat her husband, say her husband no gree and touch light. No, say the husband no gree touch light. Yes. The man say, I want to watch TV. The man say, no, come to bed now. The man say, I want to watch TV. Now the man who carries up, they beat the man. No. When police reach the house, they see blood everywhere. Now be the story actually.
But I think she took something before she started. She been take tranquilizer pills. So be like say the thing can't high her.
Okay, so it's gonna high her ginger. Meanwhile, the husband don't get the ginger that night.
Yes.
So God say, baby oh.
I'm not in the mood.
I'm not in the mood. You must say, no, baby.
51 years old though.
59 years old.
Hey, 51.
51 years old. 51, now she be. At 51, mommy ginger. Yeah. Yay!
She wants a ginger.
All right, so we'll go for laugh the laugh right about now. We'll just leave Mali and her ginger. We beat her husband, say husband not great touch, like the whole level. We'll leave it for there. And strangers, they will go marry. I'm married now based on the fact that they just jam on plane and everything, you know. Love is in the air.
It's a beautiful thing we call love.
Right.
Okay, if you follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy Paddy, at Wazobia Paddy Paddy. Let's relate, let's interact, let's talk together on Twitter. Follow us, make we forget a better day together, you understand? So that we'll go to follow it bumper to bumper. You talk to us, we reply you, no shaking. And then on top, Instagram, na at Mayowa Ekpo and at Ogbolo. On top, Twitter, na at Mayowa Lambe and at Funny Ogbolo. The station na at Wazobia TVNG on top Instagram. If you dey watch us for our online something, youtube.com/Wazobia Paddy Paddy and facebook.com/Wazobia Paddy Paddy. If na English, I will be like, if na English now, youtube.com // My brother slash this thing.
Slash, I just say fear. You understand? You know to say Amatan come out this morning?
Yes.
Amatan?
Yes.
See, one of my guys just come and say, I dey find my... Anyway, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. God bless you.
Bye-bye.
Keep being beautiful. Keep being good. We love all of you. God bless you. You know how we do it. If you're not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.